Let the good times roll. We're out here today with Robbie Davis. Night fishing. Setting up our lures right now. We got our little hut and 5 more placed around. Robbie's putting in the last one now. Well, that's a good 60 feet. So he's got himself a big bolt and a weight at the end there. Find out the depth. Grab himself a little fishy. He's gonna cut the tail because other fish love the smell of blood. Trout can smell blood 3-4 miles away. Since that's a grub, it'll naturally want to go to the bottom, so it'll dive straight down.
He's diving, boss!
Of course, this is brought to you by Kelly's Hut. Another beautiful day in New Brunswick, that's for sure.